Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to solve that the DNS server not responding using different options. Chapter 1. Fix DNS server is not responding using the Troubleshooter. To start in the search box, enter the word troubleshoot. In the results, click Troubleshoot Other Problems. Then you are going to click on the Run button that is located in the Network and Internet section. A new window will open. In the event that the network has faults, options will be launched to be executed. Otherwise, we will see the message that the network has no faults. You can see that the utility offers you some options to use to correct this DNS problem. Chapter 2. Fix DNS server not responding using another browser. It may happen that the browser you use frequently has errors. To rule this out, simply open another browser and validate that the website opens normally. Chapter 3. Fix DNS server not responding by clearing DNS cache. To start, open the terminal as administrator by right-clicking on the Windows button and there clicking on the terminal. You must accept the system permissions. To clear the entire DNS cache, run the command you see on the ipconfig screen. Once executed, use the exit command to exit. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. Fix DNS server not responding by disabling VPN. To get started, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. Then click on the Network and Internet section and there click on VPN. Here you are going to deactivate the switches available there, and you must confirm if there is any active VPN network. Chapter 5. Fix DNS server not responding by updating drivers. To start, right-click on the Start menu and in the list click on Device Manager. In the Network Adapters section, you are going to right-click on the current driver. Click the Update Driver option. Now you are going to click on Search automatically for drivers, and you are going to wait for the process to finish. To complete this process, you are going to click on Search for updated drivers in Windows Update. Windows Update will open. There you will click on Check for updates to check if there are any for the network adapter. Chapter 6. Fix DNS server not responding by changing the DNS. To start, in the search engine, enter red. In the results, click View Network Connections. You are going to right-click on the current network adapter and then select Properties. Now you are going to select the line Enable Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. In this new window, you will activate the following DNS server addresses box. Enter the desired IP address, or the one you see on the screen, and then apply the changes. Chapter 7. Fix DNS server not responding by disabling antivirus. To start, enter the word security in the Start search box. In the results, click on Windows Security. There you will go to the Antivirus and Threat Protection section. After this, click on Manage Settings. Now you are going to deactivate the real-time protection switch. Accept system permissions to confirm this process. Chapter 8. Fix DNS Server Not Responding by disabling IPv6. To start, in the search engine, enter Network. In the results, click View Network Connections. Next, you are going to right-click on the current network adapter and then select Properties. Here you will select the line Internet Protocol version 6. Uncheck its box and apply the changes. Chapter 9. Fix DNS Server Not Responding using Safe Mode. To access this mode and check if the DNS works, you will open the Start menu and then click on Settings. There, within System, you are going to click on Recovery. After this, click on Restart Now. Then you will confirm this process again and the system will be rebooted. Now you are going to click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options to access the main menu. There you will click on Startup Settings. Finally, you are going to click on the Restart button. For this example, we are going to press the F5 key on our keyboard to use Safe Mode with Network. Windows once will be rebooted again in this mode. When you start the session, open the browser and check if the page opens correctly. If it opens normally, it restarts the system to access Windows and use other options. Chapter 10. Fix DNS Server Not Responding by resetting the network adapter. To get started, click the Start menu and click Settings. Then click on the Network and Internet section and there click on Advanced Network Settings. Now you are going to click on Network Reset. After this, click on Reset Now. You must confirm this operation. You will see a small message indicating that the session will be closed. You just have to restart Windows 11 to complete the process. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.